Hello everyone, I'm Fengji.
I'm Mengqian.
Today we are going to introduce Scalable Interactive Dashboard project for Life Story Health. From their official website, we can know Life Story Health is a bioscience company innovating precision medicine through diagnostic biomarkers. They apply high-resolution mass spectrometry to identify and quantify protein related on. Life Story Health and its researchers working on using proteins that find in blood to detect various diseases in earlier stage. The diseases that they majorly focused include Alzheimer, malaria, some kinds of cancer, and thyroid. So our objective is creating a scalable interactive dashboard by using RShiny, which allows to compare the mass spectrometry images of different patients and indicates their differences and similarities. Basically, the tools we're using is R and RStudio, but there are some packages to help us improve our project such as Shiny Dashboard, and Semantic Dashboard. Those are for building the application, and the Magic and the PRVR packages is to deal with frame and image things. Currently, Life Story Health application might some issues, such as it is not a fully automatic application, something they need to do manually, and there is only one disease available in its application, and it can only compare two images at one time. The result of comparison not clear enough.
Based on those problems, we are going to um, we are going to make the three adjustments based on the current dashboard. The first one is adjust the size and the scale of images. All images uploaded by users will be resized to fit our requirement, and we are going to add a slider on the panel to allow the user to adjust the pictures to make them perfectly match to get a better comparison result. In order to get a more clear comparison result, we will add color to one of the image and allow user to blur the base graph when they make a comparison. Also, we will add more features such as expanding the software to include more diseases and uploading more graphs provided by Life Story Health. Here is the interface of our dashboard. The name of the dashboard is Life Story Health Images Analysis Application. We have 4 diseases available here, and the user should choose one of the diseases to get started. Here we choose the Alzheimer. The comparison options could be compare with reference and compare between selected images based on the choice of the users. Also, that we are allowed user to present their analysis result into separate way or overlapping way. And the action button is the show button on the left panel, and the reset button can be used for clearing the history and start a new comparison work. And if the user choose to compare with reference, for each disease, we have a list of reference image can be choose in the left panel. And after the user choose a reference image, the user should upload one new image by their own. If they choose to compare between selected images, which means the user should upload 2 new images by their own to make a comparison. As for the analysis result type, it can be result or overlapping. If the user choose to display the result in separate way, the 2 images will be displayed separately. Then the user can manually find the differences and the similarities by compare the intention time, intensity, and the peaks. Also, the user can use the reset button to clear history and start a new comparison work. If the user choose to overlap their images, in order to get a more clear comparison result, we coloring one of the image and allowed the user use the slider in the left panel to blur the base image. Also, the images uploaded by users may have different scale, so in order to make the comparison more clearly, we allow them to use the slider, adjust the picture's position to make both of them perfectly match. And we also allows users to draw the red rectangle to mark the differences and similarities. They can be removed by click the reset button.
However, there is still a lot of challenges for us, such as we cannot upload multiple images and we can only compare two images at one time. For this issue, we had a discussion in our group. What we concerned is if we upload multiple images at one time and compare those images, it will cause users cannot catch the important point. And we believe in some cases, accuracy is more important than efficiency. In addition, our application is not automation enough, so we still need to manually find the differences, like mark the red rectangle on the peak of the graph. So if we have a chance, we will improve our project in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.